Hey tech enthusiasts, want to unlock ultimate security for your online accounts? Today, I'm diving into the world of Google Authenticator. So, what exactly is Google Authenticator? It's a free app that generates time-sensitive security codes for logging into your accounts. Unlike SMS codes, which can be intercepted, Google Authenticator offers a more secure alternative by not relying on text messages. Why should you use Google Authenticator? First up, stronger security. Even if someone steals your password, they can't log in without this extra code. It also offers offline protection, no internet or mobile service needed. And it works with major platforms like Google, Instagram, Facebook, and Amazon. Ready to set it up? Let's go. First, download the app. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. Tap Install and wait for it to download. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started. And just like that, you're ready to secure your accounts. I'll use Google as an example, but the process is similar for Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, and more. Step 1. Go to your account's security settings. Open your Google account in a web browser. Click on Security, then Two-Step Verification, and get started. Enter your password and tap Next. Step 2. Select Authenticator app. Scroll to set up an alternative second step and choose Authenticator app. Select iPhone or Android. Step 3. Scan the QR code. Open Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon to add a new account. Select Scan a QR code and point your camera at the QR code on your screen. Step 4. Verify and activate. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into your account setup. Tap Verify and done. Boom! Your account is now secured with 2FA. Wait, before you leave, this part is crucial. If you lose your phone, you could get locked out. Let's make sure you have a backup. Option 1. Save your backup codes. Google provides backup codes when setting up 2FA. Save them. Store them in a secure place like a password manager or print them out. Option 2. Transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone. Open Google Authenticator, tap the 3 dots, then transfer accounts and export. Scan the generated QR code with your new phone. Option 3. Use an alternative 2FA app. Consider using Authy. It syncs your codes across multiple devices. Now you're fully protected. Let's test it. Log out and try logging back in using Google Authenticator. If everything works, congrats, you're now protected. Quick recap: install Google Authenticator, linked it to your accounts, and set up backup options. Before you go, smash that like button. It helps others find this video. Drop a comment below. Did you set up 2FA? Need help? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech and security tips from Nelson's Wireless. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe online. Next video, watch more cybersecurity tips. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay awesome and keep your accounts secure.